Hello, welcome to technology platform. So earlier we have seen like Python datetime part one. Now we are going to see part two. Let's see. Earlier we have seen some displaying the date and time. Now we want to show you like the customization, like which format we need. I need like month, day, year format. So that kind of customization, we'll see it now. Let's see from date time import date time. So why I'm giving this from date time means I don't want to give like this date time dot now. I don't want to give like this, so I have to give it date time dot now. That is enough. So because of that, I'm just using this from date time and then import date time. Now see this date time dot now. So it will show like that only. You can just print it date time dot now, and then let's see, it will print. Now I'm just using only date time, then I want to use it print of date time dot now. So this is the exact symbol and syntax. So why I use like this? So because of that, I'm just using this front date time and then using only date time dot now instead of date time dot now. I'm using only date time dot now. So now I just want to format. Let's see. Hmm, from date time already is there, so I just want to str date variable and then date time dot now. What happening? Date time dot now only. That is correct. Okay. So I let me use it from date time import date time and then str date equal to date time dot now. Let's see what it will show. Yeah, so that was not recognized, so because of that I again used from import date time because I override this import date time. So because of that it is not recognized here. So now if I want to print it this, you know what it will provide the timing and all. Now I want to customize this. So what is the customization is like print of str date you are going to print normally, but I used dot strftme is a keyword. This is the keyword. Strf time is the keyword, and I can say like um I'll say like percentage. I'm just used to some format double quotes. I'll say like only and then hyphen and then again percentage, again dd hyphen again percentage yyyy and then comma. I used to hour minutes. I'll say like Let's see how it works here. Percentage and then colon and percentage yes, and then let me print it. Oh, another. Okay, this is an invalid format, like that it is telling. So let me change it and then let's see how it works, because sometimes something is not recognized. Let's see. I'll say like single I'll use to do that. Let's see the format how it looks, because it is not like that. I used like this. Let's see. Okay, this is also not recognized format. What's a format? Let's see. Slash and then slash, maybe capital letter. Let's see. M and then second. Okay, now it is displayed properly because something it is capital letter, so that's why it is not written properly. Let's see one more time, we can try it, and then let's see. So like this we can do a customization. Now I'm going to use it again some format. So what is the format here is that from date time, import date time, and then str date equal to date time dot now. I'm just picking the right time, and then I used to print str date dot, the syntax is str f timing, and then open bracket, let's say d, and then slash, and then m, and then slash, and then percentage, and then y, and then comma, and then I will say like this is common. So put minutes and then seconds. Let's see. Oh, close bracket. Yeah. Now it is displaying the format properly. So this is kind of things. And one more thing is also we can try to do that. We also have, this is for str f time method, we can say like that means it's a formatting method something. And we also have um, strp time. So what I'm saying is that strp time is a keyword. Now I'm going to use that one. Let's see what is the purpose of that, and then let's see this one. So now already you are receiving a date as a date data type, but you are receiving as a string data type. For string data type, how we are going to convert into date data type? For that we are using this one. Let's see, from date time, import date time, and then str date equal to, I'll say like today 3rd August, 3rd, I'll say like 3rd August 2023. Now I'm going to print str date 3rd August. Now I want to change it like some format. Let's see. I want to store like str convert date equal to, now date time dot, let wait for some time, str p time, and then you're passing the string str date, and then comma, what is the format? I'm saying that mm, d slash e slash percentage y, something like that. Okay, it is throwing an error message. Why? Because it's like I haven't stored anything. What is the error message it is showing? 3rd August 2023. Oh, okay. I think comma is missing or something like that. That's why it is throwing an error message, right? Let's see. I didn't use it. Comma. Let's see. Okay, still it is throwing an error message. hmm Why it is throwing an error message? Line 1 model percentage D and then percentage B and then str convert date. It is correct only. What is wrong? Okay, so might be a capital letter issue. Print str convert date. Let's see what is the convert. Now it has been converted. So this is what I want to show you, like, because um, D means it's like a day, and for that full name month we are using percentage P, and then the Y is an a year respectively, like this we are using it. So this is what you want to convert, like this. So the format is like the capital letter. The capital letter is always creating an issue. So let me type it one more time, and then you can see what is the thing here. From datetime, import datetime, and then str date equal to 3rd August 2023. So this is what I used. Now str converted date equal to date time dot strp time, and then passing str date, then percentage d, how it is reading. I am percentage d, I am reading it, and then b, and then y, capital letter Y. That's it. Let's see now. Print str convert date. So the three, this one is just occupied like this. Thank you. See you in the next session. Bye.